This is an exciting time for the Court Theatre because the Forge, our studio rehearsal space, is coming back this year. So it's fitting that we're going to reopen that theatre space, the Forge, in the pub charity rehearsal room with a piece called Groundswell, Stories from the Quake. It's a piece of verbatim theatre, that is theatre which is taken from the words of the people of Christchurch, the real stories of people that went through extraordinary events on February the 22nd.
Yeah, these are really unique stories because some of them are quite extraordinary, sort of the experiences that some of these people had on the day. But at the same time, they still resonate, I think, with anyone that was here on the day. You know, just the talking of the traffic and the dust, there's certain things that unify all of the stories and that I think will unify the audience as well.
My character wasn't actually from Sumner. She lived somewhere out near the airport, but she decided to come to Sumner on the day of the quake to see a movie at this cinema, the Hollywood Cinema. And she was using her gold card, so she was coming by the bus instead of driving all the way because she thought she'd be good, save money. And when the quake happened, she'd gone to get tickets, but the doors hadn't opened, so she went to spend some time in the Nurse Maud shop, which is just over there, to buy a sweater for winter.
Everyone is going to have a different experience of Groundswell, just like everybody had a different experience of the quake. But there are certain things in the play that will bring everybody together, and that is the main thing that we really want to get across telling these 7 stories like this, is that everyone is in this together, and that people can share an experience at the theatre. There is some pretty hard stuff in there, but there's some really beautiful, beautiful stories, some quite sort of hilarious bits as well.
Yeah, I think it's wonderful that this building did survive because Sumner's lost its pub, it's lost its community centre, and for communities like this it's really important that they've got somewhere that they recognise that was there before the quake, where they can go and have some fun times.